we were talking about naming elements and naming compounds and writing formulas for compounds. And the formulas prove to be very useful in chemistry. And one of the things we use them for is to determine the formula mass. That is the mass of a molecule or a formula unit. So the molecular compounds, the ones that we use the prefixes with, the two nonmetals, those form molecules. And the acids form molecules. Ionic compounds do not form molecules, and so we talk about them in terms of a formula unit. The formula mass is just the sum of the atomic masses for all the atoms in the chemical formula. So the number of the first element times the mass of that element plus the number of the second times the mass of the second element. That's the general formula. So let's just do an example. Calculate the formula mass of dinitrogen monoxide, N2O, also called laughing gas. So we're going to need a periodic table to do problems like this. And we look at the formula and we see that there are 2 nitrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom in the formula. And so we take 2 times the mass of a nitrogen atom, which is 14.01 atomic mass units, and 1 times the mass of oxygen, which is 16.00 atomic mass units. Now, your periodic table may give slightly different numbers. It may give more significant figures, and that's fine. I'm just going to use the one that has them rounded to 4 sig figs. And so this is going to end up, I'm going to get my calculator out. Uh, 2 times 14.01 plus 16, 44.02. Atomic mass units. That's the mass of 1 molecule of dinitrogen monoxide. Any questions? And there's the chapter in review. And really, we should have finished this before, right? Because that's silly. There's this one dumb little thing at the end. But there's all those things.